Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing another bold lip look for fair golden olive skin tones, and this is the color for today. If you want to see the makeup look that I achieved to match this special lipstick, then please keep watching. For my base, I'm going to use this Merit Great Skin Glow Serum. I want to keep things a little bit lightweight on the skin today, only because there's just been a little bit of irritation around the eye area for whatever reason. So I'm just going to keep it a little bit simple and lightweight. And for the lightweight, I'm going to stick to this Rose Ink tinted serum because it's a barely there type of product and it's exactly what I need. I'm going to keep the whole base pretty lightweight and natural looking so that the bold lip for today is going to really pop and stand out, and it's going to be so pretty. For concealer, I'm using my Nars. This is the eye brightener in Night Swan, and I'm just going to do it under the eyes and cover that. You can still see my skin. It's still there. All the natural spots you can still see. And as long as it's like kind of evened out, then I think it looks really nice. Just kind of keeping it on the natural side. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder just to set down around the eyes. And I will use just a powder bronzer today, so I'm going to just set really the whole face. I'll do my bronzer next. The bronzer is going to be the Hans Skincare, and this one I've mentioned before. In color, it looks the most similar to the chocolate bronzer. So if you can't find this particular American-made product, maybe you can find the Too Faced chocolate bronzer, and I know that one's an American-made as well, but that one may be a little bit more of a common, easier to find product than this one. And this one I love for all year round because it has that subtle bronze instead of like an extreme bronze. Definitely one of my favorites. I say it every time. I thought I smelled like a hint of something weird. Maybe because I was talking about the chocolate bronze that I had almost like a whiff of chocolate. I'm not really sure because I don't really see the ingredients anywhere on this bronzer. I'll do my brows really quick with this Loreal Brow Stylist. Right, the brows are quick and done. I wanted to, I guess I could do my blush next, and I'm using the Nabla Skin Glaze in the color Truth. I love this color. I love it. It's one of those beautiful peachy coral shades. It's just so pretty. There's something about this type of color that's really, really flattering. All right. And for the lips, I'll do my lips first and then the eyes. For the lips, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Gossip for lip liner. And the lipstick for today is the Lancome. It's the 120 Call Me Sienna color. And you just pop it on the top and then it comes out the bottom. And it's this beautiful bright coral. And yeah, this lip liner, Hot Gossip, is perfect for this kind of color. I mean, you could go like more brown to have like a more outlined, but really up close, it looks really nice. So the color for today is this beautiful Coral by Lancome. And for eyeshadow, I wanted to keep it pretty simple, so I wanted to do this Bobbie Brown single shadow. It's a metallic eyeshadow in the color Burnt Sugar. It's just so pretty. Sometimes I love just a one and done. I mean, I use my palettes kind of a one and done style as well, but I love single shadows too, especially if you just know what look you're going for and it's not a big hassle to pull out a palette. It's just a small little single compact. And then I'll just finish this look up with an eyeliner, which I always love to do. This blush, normally I would have, not with this blush, but normally I would have a highlighter, but this blush is so shimmery, which I love, that I don't use highlighter with it. There's just something about these warm tones, like this brown with the blush color. It's just so pretty. I feel like my under eyes are looking a little dark, so I'm going to use my powder foundation, and this is just my Youngblood one in the color Barely Beige. And what I like to do is just bring it right around the eyes, because sometimes there's just a little bit of extra discoloration when you aren't fully rested and it just doesn't quite complete the look. And then for eyeliner, I'm using the Wonderskin in the color Kalamata. It's just a dark brown. And to finish off the eye look, I'm just applying my mascara, which is the Give Beauty one. Still just kind of hanging on to this one until I find a better one in the Sephora sale section. Because this is where I got the mascara. It's been on sale for absolute months and months and months. But I know a few of them that are really good, so I wanted to wait until some of them were on sale, like the Tartelette tubing mascara. That one was really good. I think there is a Tartelette Extreme one or something that might be on sale, I think, if I'm not mistaken, so I might check that one out. All right, I think that concludes the makeup look. I'm just going to fix my hair and I'll be right back. And this is the makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the look for today and the lipstick for today, the Lancome Call Me Sienna. It's so pretty. This is one of my favorites. I just love these type of tones, definitely. There's just something that really works for fair olive tones, and I'm sure it works for neutral skin tones and golden skin tones as well. I don't know about cool tones because this is a warm toned coral color. And of course, this lip liner is one of my favorite colors. Someone mentioned that it was like a deeper skin tone color, which is so strange. I think it's more a tone that will maybe suit different tones in the lips instead of like just categorizing it as like a deeper skin tone, because not all deep skin tones have this type of a warm lip to their tone, or that warm tone to their lips. So I wouldn't say that it's just for a certain type of deepness or lightness, a fairness of skin. So anyways, this has always been one of my favorites, and this, I hope you guys enjoyed this lip series. I might stop it at 10 bold lips for fair golden olive skin tones, and then I'll see where I go from there with the next series, because I think it's kind of fun to see like a variety of shades of something, but yet the rest of the face, you have to kind of use whatever makeup you have to suit that one color. I think that's really fun, and it's definitely like a little bit challenging and fun. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for those of you who have, and I look forward to the next video. I will see you then. Have a good day. Bye.